have is BeCozi.com is here. BeCozi.com is an American website, and our headquarters is located in Holland, Michigan. If you're local, make sure to stop at our office and look at our beautiful yarns. BeCozi.com has the biggest collection of chunky yarns in the United States. And we're making this video. We have almost 200 videos on YouTube, BeCozi channel. You can check those out on hand knitting, because hand knitting was born in our office in 2015. So today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful heart pillows or heart pillow. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so that will be a really beautiful gift for yourself or your Valentine's. And we will be using cranberry red, or you can use beautiful pink color. We also have baby pink, we have candy cane red. So today I'm using this cranberry red. This other pillow is made with pink. It's beautiful bright pink. So if you go to BeCozi.com, select chunky chenille yarn, and you can find like 45 colors that we have of solid colors. We also have 24 colors of variegated. So these beautiful pillows are made with inserts. The smaller one is 12-inch, the bigger one is 14-inch. You can buy the inserts on our website too. It's accessories section, and then find the pillow and select the size you would like to make. So what you will need? You will need just one skein of chunky chenille yarn, BeCozi chunky chenille yarn. And for a bigger one, I actually used a little bit more than one skein. It's like 1.2 of the skein. And for this one, I had a little bit of leftover to connect it on the side. For this guy, I didn't have any yarn left to connect it, so I used just a string that I had available. You can use any yarn, any string, anything you have available to connect it around. So if you have our yarn ready, go to BeCozi.com, get our yarn. We're shipping around the United States and around the world, and let's make this beautiful pillow.